In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset the oil maintenance due now on a 2021 Honda CR-V. You'll notice this one says maintenance due now. You're going to use the screen right here in the middle of the vehicle. You're going to press the home button first. If you end up thinking this video is helpful, please consider subscribing. It helps us make more videos just like this. You're going to press the settings button. When you get into settings, you're going to go to vehicle. Then under vehicle, you're going to scroll all the way to the very bottom. There's one that says maintenance information. You're going to click that one. And then select reset items. We're going to do that. And then at this point, you can decide what needs to be reset. This one, we're specifically looking at the engine oil. It says, would you like to reset maintenance information, oil life 5%? Yes, we would. So we're going to press reset. Takes just a second there. And now the reset has been complete. That's all there is to it. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section. To help us make more videos just like this, consider subscribing and give the video a like if you thought it was helpful. Thanks for watching.